Hey guys, today I'm going to be talking about the time that we got to shoot some cool portraits at sunset on a roof. So this story kind of starts off with a good friend of ours called Oz, who happens to own a rehearsal studio, and that rehearsal studio so happens to have a massive flat roof, which is just perfect for climbing on. So when we pitched this idea to him, he thought it was a great idea. He gracefully gave us the green light to use the roof for the photo shoot, so we naturally jumped at the chance. However, one thing he did kind of forget to mention was that actually getting onto the roof wasn't quite as straightforward as taking a staircase. This is pipe in the toilet.
Yeah. One thing to watch out for, when you come back down, there's this pipe here, which is very easy to mistake for a rung.
Not a ladder rung.
Okay, right. And there's that at the bottom. So
What? Oh yeah, water pipe. Yeah, nothing to worry
and
about
there's
then.
that pipe there as well. Okay.
There's pipes, be careful.
Basically, watch out for pipe.
Yeah.
Where's he going?
Who decided to put the ladder to the roof here?
It's
Some
ridiculous.
genius.
Love you.
Okay,
You
okay.
look like... Come on! Mummy! Mummy! It's like me birth.
Just gonna blind
I'm
you.
coming into the light, Mummy! Oh, this is where you take people to kill them, isn't it?
Yeah, literally.
Well, Tom. George.
I'm just filming your crotch right now.
Best angle. Oh, that light.
Just pop your head through it.
Do you want me to film you going up? Great, when there's a party and you just want to escape and you just go up there and a little smile.
Mate, how ridiculous is this? Look at that light, man. Stuck. That song. How ridiculous is this?
Those comments in that bit. You are? Yeah. It's they've just repaired.
Yeah, we need to shoot that soon.
Cinematic as
Shit,
fuck.
it's leaking.
Get that light.
Is that the
Insane,
burst
get it
gonna do? Oh.
So once we've managed to get ourselves onto the roof, there was still the matter of how the hell we were going to get all this equipment up there. Obviously our cameras and camera bags could all be passed up the narrow ladder gap, but for bulkier items like my lights, we still had to find another way. You ready? Yeah.
Yep. Right, King Friday.
Although I did actually bring my studio lights with me and some battery packs, I didn't really want to risk bringing them on the rooftop. It was super windy up there, and if they fell over it would have been a complete disaster. So instead I decided to use my Godox V860 Mark II flash gun, and I fired that off camera with a wireless trigger, and I also attached a gridded octobox to the front. In order to overpower the sun, I had to set my flash gun all the way to half power. After taking a few test shots, we realised that we still had a bit more time to kill. The sun hadn't quite lowered down in the sky enough for us to shoot, so we did what any other sane human being would whilst hanging out with friends on a roof. We ordered pizza and watched the sun go down. We haven't thought this through. How are we going to get that pizza up?
Because it's not going to go up that hole. We're going to have a smashed up pizza.
I don't know how the it's going up there.
No, I don't. That's what I was just saying.
We need some string in a bag and pull it up down the side.
With our bellies full of pizza and the sun in the right position, we started shooting. Now this whole shoot was just for a bit of fun really. We didn't want to do anything too serious. This is why we didn't get a model or anything like that. We just used George and he was dicking around for us in front of the camera.
music.
Anyway, I hope you like this video, guys. It's a little bit different to what we normally do. It wasn't really a tutorial, it was more just a cool experience I wanted to share with you all. If you did like it, don't forget to like the video and let us know in the comments below, and maybe we can do a bit more like this. Anyway, as always, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.
I'm the king of the swinging chains.